Hey guys, it's Allie. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. I know that it's been a while, but things have been hectic. I am currently trying to keep my 10-month-old out of the cabinets. He has been on the move today. But today I'm going to take down my Christmas decorations, and I thought I would do a power hour, half hour, depending on how long it takes me. And it will probably take a while because I am by myself with Benjamin. And he is on the move. He is on day 6 of the flu, day 5 of flu medicine. He's doing better, but he's still needy. So I'm going to take you around and show you what decorations I have. And yes, the house is a mess. I'm going to worry about that later. My husband can help me clean, but there is a system to putting up my Christmas decorations that I don't want him to help with. So I'll do that while he's gone. But I'm going to show you what I have, and then we'll get down to cleaning. Okay guys, so in the kitchen I just have random stuff. This nativity is for Ben to play with. I'll put that in a little baggie. I have our Christmas countdown, a little Christmas mug, a little Santa candle holder. And then in the dining room I have this nativity. In the foyer I have my Snow Village stuff, and I'm doing Ben's laundry, so that's kind of a mess. You coming for me? Come on! And all over I have a bunch of these little nativity sets. This is the tree. It was so hectic we didn't even get a topper on. But this is what we did get done, and we got it done like 2 days before Christmas, so I'll take that down. I have another nativity here. I have this nativity in the hallway. And then in the messy library I just have random stuff. I hear you, bub. I hear you. Snowman. Here's Ben's mess. Another nativity. Something I got in my bedroom. But anyway, that's most of it. I'm going to start cleaning now. Let me see what time it is. It is 11:51 a.m. Today is the 28th, I believe. I want to get it down before New Year's, so we'll see if we get it done today. I don't have high hopes because, like I said, Ben is on the move. He is currently eating a magnet. What are you doing? See, I'm going to help Mom clean. Yay! Okay, here we go. Okay guys, I got the ornaments taken down and I didn't get it recorded because my camera stopped and I didn't realize it. But here's the tree without the stuff. I took off the lights. It is a pre-lit tree, but we had it in our shed, and our shed got blown away in a storm last year. And the tree seemed okay until we plugged it in and all of our lights were blown. So we added lights to it, but we left the pre-lit ones on there. So that was kind of a, I know, that was kind of a booger to get the new lights untangled from the lights that are already on it. Okay, tell us. Yeah. So I'm going to take it all the way down. I don't have the bag. My husband didn't bring that in, so I'm going to have him put it in the bag when he gets home, but I'll go ahead and have it like deconstructed. And I am having a snack while I'm cleaning, which isn't really very healthy, but it's okay. French fries and ranch, because it's what we have and that's what I'm going to eat. So I'll be doing that while I deconstruct the tree, and then I'll start on the nativities. guys, I'm going to take a small break because I'm expecting company, and honest, I'm exhausted. Kid's been running around needing mommy. I don't even know what time it is. Hold on, I'll check what time it is. Okay guys, right now it's 12:58, so I've been doing this for a little bit over an hour, and that included a diaper change, some leave-ins, a snack, and all I have left is my snow village, so that's not too bad. But I'll get to that when I get to it. I'll record it for you guys, and I'll see you in a little bit. Alright guys, I'm back. It's like 2 nights later, and Ben is asleep, so I'm on my own, and all I have left is my snow village. Here it is. I don't have a lot. I'm just starting my collection, but I gotta put that up, and then I'll be done with all the Christmas decorations. We can put them all up, so I'm excited about that. But I'm gonna record it, and I'll let you guys know how long it takes and how long it took total, and that's what we're gonna do. That's it. That took me about 10 minutes, and the other took me about an hour and 5, so maybe hour 15 altogether to get done my Christmas decorations, and most of that was with my 10-month-old running around, so not too bad. I'm glad I got them all down. It is December 31st, so it took me a few days, but not too much time, so that's not too bad. But this is all that I have. One of these is ornaments, one is Snow Village, and this is nativities and other Christmas decorations, and then I just have this little sign here. I don't think I showed you guys that before, but that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. It really